Fortunately, the festival is not this week because the weather is not cooperating.
Yeah, especially tomorrow. In fact, we have a wind advisory out. I was noticing on that live camera we just had there of the shore.
Shaken?
A little bit, but I also noticed those clouds. They're so low. They're covering some of the buildings here in Philly. They were doing the same out there. Let me show you what's going on around our area. In fact, there it is. There's some of the low clouds. As you can see, things are pretty wet around the area, and that camera going to be shaking big time as we go on into the day tomorrow. 43 is our temperature in Philadelphia, so layer up if you're going out right now. 42 degrees in Trenton. I wouldn't say it's cold, but it certainly has that chill to the air, no question. 46 Atlantic City, 45 Wilmington, Allentown, you guys down to 39. So our temperatures aren't going to change much. We're going to keep them in the 40s the next few hours. Sun going down at 7:06 now at the time change yesterday. Winds, northwest 5 to 15, so not too bad. So that will give us a little bit of a wind chill factor if you're heading on out. Temperatures in the 30s, but these winds are going to pick up big time tomorrow. But with the clouds and with the rain that's out there, it just kind of has a chilly feel to the air. And you can see the heaviest of that rain right now down in parts of South Jersey. So let's get to the Futurecast. Brand new. This just came down, doing a really good job, showing you the snow to the north, which is the blue, which is at the Poconos now, and areas farther north. Pretty much rain elsewhere. And that's going to be the trend as we go into the evening tonight. In fact, later tonight, 10, 11, midnight, we may even see some breaks in the clouds as there's a little bit of a lull overnight before things start really picking up with those winds tomorrow morning. Now, out the door tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, consider it cloudy, consider it windy and very cold, and maybe a few stray snow showers. We don't have a lot on this map, as you can see, but during the day, they'll start to drop on down. So by noon, notice this map here has some snow showers over Trenton, has some snow showers over, say, Levittown and Fairless Hills and Bucks County, certainly for the Poconos, and perhaps by the afternoon, some of those making it as far south as Philadelphia, into Gloucester County and Camden County, a few light snow showers up and down I-95, 295. They're not going to amount to much, but if you're driving, you could encounter for your evening commute some of these snow showers that are going to be passing on by, and they'll taper off by late tomorrow night. The bigger story, in my opinion, is the wind. So tomorrow morning, outside at 7 o'clock, we'll see these wind gusts anywhere between, let's just say 20 to 25 miles per hour. But watch what happens during the day. Here's a look at 10 o'clock, brand new data coming in, 35 to 40 miles per hour. How about noon? You got a 44 mile per hour forecast Wildwood, 40 Mount Pocono, with some of these wind gusts into the middle afternoon knocking on the door of 50 miles per hour, that 40 to 50. It's going to be very windy. Wind chill will play a huge role. That's why we have the wind advisory that's up essentially for our entire area, and that is up until tomorrow, or Wednesday morning, I should say, at midnight. So all day tomorrow, 41 degrees. When you account for the wind, I don't see the wind chill factor getting above freezing all day long. So it is a hat, gloves, coat, all that tomorrow. Now, Wednesday, it is still windy, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Probably not quite to advisory criteria, but it will be windy and very cold. Then we start to warm things up a bit, 58 on Thursday. By Friday, 60, but we're tracking another system, guys, with some evening rain that will go into Saturday morning.